To customize your always on display in Realme GT7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Then we can move to wallpaper and style, and then there's always on display. Now make sure that the option is activated, and then you can switch between seamless or classic mode, and you can choose whichever one you like, but seamless is a bit limited. If you go for a classic, then you can choose different options when you scroll down below. So we have the personalized one, and for some of them you will need to download a app from Google Play Store like Bitmoji, so keep that in your mind if you want to use them. Then there's the system ones, and for each of those modes there's also possibility of customization, and you can change the check the amount of customization right here next to it. So if we go for analog clock, there's 10 different options that we can choose. We can go with this one and then adjust our color. So now our always on display is set. We can move to display settings and change what will be visible on that screen. So first one is info. You can change the time, date, battery and notifications to be visible in do not disturb mode, in always on display mode. So we can go for time and date. Then there's the contextual info, for example, music playback, that you can enable or disable. That way you'll be able to check what music is currently playing. We can enable new notifications. We can manage power saving. The always on display will not be shown if the phone has been stationary for a while. You can enable or disable that. You can schedule it from a certain time or put it on all day. And that is basically every customization option for always on display.